Hey guys, welcome back to my second channel. Today, this is my new vacuum. I just picked it up from Curry's, and it's about nearly 4 months ago. So it's 4 months ago, and it was 4 months old. So then I'm going to just empty the canister if you can, because so this is my brand new corded vacuum that I thought when I bought this, and it was lightweight and easy to maneuver, because I had my old vacuum in the DC03 started to make a horrible noise, and it wasn't very good. So because why did it make a noise? Well, I must have hoovered all the peas up, and it wasn't picking up very well, and it got blocked right away. So after you finish, you must empty the bin when you finish vacuuming, because look how messy it is. Gross. Look. And that's why, because it's a good vacuum and it's really nice, because since I bought the vacuum cleaner from Curry's, and today I'm going to do a demonstration video of my new Shark upright vacuum. It's got lift away model, and it's a really good. As you can see, it's very lighter than my DC03, because my DC03 was heavy. So I'm gonna pop some more wild oats, and that will be it. So, because since it was my new vacuum, because why I needed it, because it was on deal for around £160, and it's a 5-year guarantee, and must wash filters after you finish your vacuum. Now, just a quick look. This has got the tube, and it's really light, so you must emphasize the tube, because hopefully it doesn't get too grub, and you need to check if there's any blockages on this vacuum, because I've emptied the bin, and you got to lift away, because it's easier if you lift it away. So I've just emptied the bin, and let's see, so there's nothing inside the bin. So what I thought, I'll do a demonstration of this new vacuum. So we've had this Halloween, and I've done an unboxing video of this vacuum before, and it was pretty good. And now, because since it's lightweight, you want to vacuum all the mess which is going to be inside the canister. So let me show you guys. So instead of getting in here, so it gets all there and then there, so it doesn't get tangled. Show you this. You can get shark vacuums at Curry's. If you're happy to get one, get what you want. And this is the filters to wash after it gets grubby. So still muck, and that's why it's got a port table cleaning. And okay, so don't get too tangled. So let's see if my shark vacuum does. So I'm gonna switch it on. Very nice and quiet. Okay. Doing good.
And I've got my Dysons right here.
That's best. So slowly getting it right here. I must take your time. If you want to go to the minimum, wow, it's picked up. Look at this, how much it is. Very much. And the filters are a bit good, so make sure you wash it after it's been muck. So I'm gonna get these bags, but I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay, once I've bought these bags, this is to empty the bin so then you can keep vacuum, because some vacuum cleaners need maintenance in my house, so it's really good, as you can see. Then I'm going to keep vacuuming, then I'm going to find it, then I'm going to lift away these and find a pet turbine head. So let's see if it gives. Let's see if it sucks. So I'm gonna turn this on.
See this?
Okay. Oh my god. Look at that. It looks pretty grubby. As you can see, it. Because why? It was the mess it's made, and it got sucked right into my canister. As you can tell, it's amazing. It looks really amazing. And then make sure you make sure you empty it. And be careful. Just be careful. And oh my. And look at this. Mess came in my vacuum. So that's why it's a good quality. And make sure you wash, because look at these filters, they're now gonna start being grubby. So what you're gonna do now is make sure that you start putting it, and don't you worry, it's a good vacuum, so it's a decent. So go to Curry's and buy a vacuum for anything. Just get whatever you want. You like that, because I know you guys like vacuums so much, and that's why I need to go and vacuum my floor. So make sure you wash filters, and how gross, very gross. And make sure your canister is sticked there. And don't forget, yeah, and then the more it's clean, then I'm gonna keep going.
Oh my god. Stuck into the vacuum.
And look it, this tube has gone. We're very good, and it's a very, very, very good vacuum. Can't tell anyone. So, and make sure you close it and just empty it, and then you can keep. Then you'll, because not all vacuum cleaners need some maintenance. So we've got the brush war, which gets very tangled, and it's very, very, very profesh, and you don't have to get the vacuum cleaner. You can just get it for around a good price. So my shark will last a very, very, very long time, because I've opened the box and put it together, and then so I'm gonna get rid of this box, or because it looks like I don't need it no more. So you could just use both things if you want. Okay, make sure you fit in, because if it doesn't fit in, I'll be sending the shark back, because I need the latest. I need a special one. So let me see. So just in case it goes back in the box, and it's that way. So pop right there. In it. So probably like I probably allow the vacuums more. And then the more you click it in, then it's gonna have to get so probably by you can go in the lift. So is the greatest special fashioned, so you get an old fashioned from around £2, or I would give it a first look. So no more So I decided no more vacuums because I've spent a lot. So I decided no more vacuums for me. Okay. I decided not to get a vacuum. It can't fit. Okay, make sure it's closed in. And now, giving us a fun part. Let's see if it works. Bear with me. Guess I'm gonna have to use this because this is no good. So
Happy?
Look how messy it's made. Can't tell. It's got good mess, so I'm gonna empty the bin. It's light, and make sure it's nostrily. So I've opened this box and make sure you pop it in, and then you have to close it like this. Okay, now it's fully closed. Gonna take this to the bin. See if there's a bin. I'll bring it back. I did. Oh, finally got rid of this while reading the title. So it's really nice. As you can see, the canister is quite good. And then you're gonna have to switch it back on and make sure the test is perfect. Okay, and make sure that, so I'm gonna see, so have a look. As you can tell, it's grubs and it's really, really grubby. And then so you want to okay, so it got tangled quite a bit. I know, because I must have done it the wrong way. Not correct, is it? Okay, so what am I going to do now is take the let's get it started. Okay, gonna pop this back together, and then so you see the click, one release and one clicked. So let's see, and then we're gonna hear it click. Yes, it does. Now you're going to click it here. So let's see if it clicks. Yes, I told you it clicks. Then you're going to attach the tool, and then we're going to see how this is the grub. Oh my God, that looks grubby. And that one looks fine to me, but still grubby. So, okay. So, I'm going to unplug it. That's all, if it's fine. So, so yes. So give yourselves a big clap, and thank you all so much for watching of my demonstration shark corded upright video with lift away functional cleaning and an instance. And be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, turn on post notifications, and send requests in the comments. And thank you all so much for watching. And maybe next time, if it breaks, then I'm gonna order a new replacement. So, but right now it's still working, so I don't need to order it just yet. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next few weeks' time. But, TDR, cheerio, bye bye.